G'day legends, today we're going to be installing this one and this one. Alrighty guys, so this is basically the King shower tent awning that I got from Full Drive Supercenter. It's about $110, which is pretty good. And then also your Ridge Ryder. So this guy over here, I've got this one of Gumtree for $50. So yeah, it's not too bad. The only thing I had to buy extra is this one over here. So that's just your awning mounting brackets. I think this was about $20. But yeah, so we're just going to install this today on the camper trailer. Just so you know, the setup works and it's all good to go. So yeah, let's get into it. Okie dokie guys, so first up what you want to do is visualize everything on the trailer. So take the actual awning and then, you know, measure it up against the trailer, see what it's going to sit like. Make sure it's high enough as well, because it doesn't help if you make your awning too low and you need to duck to be under it. So yeah, just make sure it's set nicely. Same with the back one. When I measured it, it was a bit small, so it went like sort of between the two bars, so we'll just need to figure something out there. But yeah, basically if you just measure up everything, you'll sort of know what you're in for, and then you can go from there. But yeah, let's measure it up and go from there. Alright, I've done myself a bit of a pickle, but anyway, so there's 2 bolts per side in the packet. Let me show you. Alright, so that's what you get in the packet. Alright, so that means there's 2 for each, you know, and I drilled 3 holes. So yeah, rookie mistake, but that's why I make this video, so you guys don't do that. But yeah, anyway, it's alright. All you do is just spray it up and put some silicone in there if you want to fill the hole again. But yeah, I only drilled 2 holes. Let's continue. Alrighty guys, so another obstacle that I face is with the King's brackets and the Ridge Ryder awning. It doesn't match up, so let me show you what I mean. So first of all, I had to chop them smaller, the bolts, to fit in the sides, because here's the normal one, but it doesn't want to fit. It's too big, as you can see. So I just grinded off the edges just so it can slide in. And then another thing, the King's bracket, here you go, doesn't line up, so I'll have to drill the holes bigger for them to fit, because yeah, that does not fit. So yeah, what I would say is probably just buy a King's awning. You'll save yourself a lot of frustration, and yeah, everything will line up, I guess. So yeah. There you go. But anyway, let's make this thing work. Alrighty, so what I've done here is I've made the holes bigger. So as you can see, I drilled the holes bigger just so, you know, this thing can actually fit. So yeah, the bolts go on. So yeah, we just now basically going to put it up. So before you put the side awning on, you gotta sort of put this awning on first. I'll just show you what I mean. So this bracket needs to go in there. So obviously the awning is going to be tied up against this, tube. So that means you need to drill these holes first. So basically what I've done is I've just put those nuts and bolts in there. tighten it up, and it's going to sit like that to make the shower tent fit. Beautiful. So yeah, finally time to put the last one on, and then we're done for the day. Well, there you go guys, that's the end of today's episode. Just make sure you check every nut and bolt that you've bolted up today, just to make sure everything is nice and tight. You don't want to lose your awning while driving down corrugated roads and all those sort of things. And yeah guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. And yeah, here's some photos of what it looks like fully open. Awesome. Cheers guys, see you next one. Bye.